Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Kia Optima. If you guys have Kia Optima and you need to remove or replace engine air filter, stay with us, we will explain how to do that. Also make sure to stay until the end because we will explain about something that most people don't do and you should always do when you replace your air filter. This should actually work guys on Kia Optima generation 2010 to year 2016. Now, if you guys want to see where we buy all the tools, parts, anything that you need for your Kia Optima, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. We'll share everything guys there. Also, you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Something else guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything, and that's the plan on that Kia Optima as well. All the mechanical videos will be on this channel, and if you want to see videos about diagnostics, electronics, fixing electronic components guys, all that will be shared on our second channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, so check it out, it will be there. Now let's go ahead, continue and show you what we need to do. Specifically guys, 2013 Kia Optima that we'll be working on. This one is the one with the 2.4 liter GDI engine. Even if you have the 2.0, the procedure may be very similar as well. Your air filter is located guys under that box, okay, right here. Now, how do you remove it guys? Pretty simple. We have two tabs, you can see here, okay, and two on the bottom. Now, let's explain how we remove one of them here, okay, you like that. Just grab and pull it, and then we have two more towards the bottom, okay, right there. Now, we need to get guys a 10mm socket and we need to get that hose loose, otherwise you will not be able to remove the lid, and we will explain why it's a good idea to remove that lid now. Most people will not do that, but you should guys. Be careful not to break any of the vacuum hoses here that you have. Okay, just grab it. Okay, it comes out like that. Now, I'll pull this way a little bit, we can go ahead, pull that lid out. All the way, you can see just like that. Now you can safely remove the filter, otherwise you can damage the new filter, okay, when you try to put it in. Check out how terrible that filter is, right guys? It's definitely need to be replaced. But right here, okay, if you replace it and you leave it like that, you risk guys, okay, damaging your filter pretty quickly. Also, you may end up sucking some dirt, okay, in your engine. So what we recommend, get your vacuum, shop vacuum now, and clean the whole box here. Okay, if you want to see how to remove the air filter box, to wash it, clean it super good, everything, it's super simple. The video is on our channel, it's called Air Filter Box Removal on Kia Optima. But you can see, that's how you guys remove it, okay. When we are ready to get the new filter, we'll explain how to put it together now. So you grab the new filter, and you just go ahead, install it. After that, okay, the box guys, pull that hose a little bit up, you need to align everything. Okay, make sure it goes in after you clean the box and all that with your shop vacuum. Okay, let me show you now. I'm going to install that hose, and then we're going to clip the clips. Okay, if they don't go too easy, there is something wrong. Make sure the filter is not sticking out somewhere. Don't forget to get your hose loose. If you do, that can damage your engine, because if you have loose hose, you can suck dirt, dust, and that can eventually wear out your engine. So don't over tighten those, okay, those clamps with the 10mm. Make sure that you don't strip them guys. This is it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.